Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up and restore your PlayStation 5 to your USB drive. And this is easy. Just go to settings right here and going down to system. And then under system software, we can go to the right and go to backup and restore. And we can select this. Now, the first option is back up your PS5, back up your games, apps, and data in console storage to a USB drive. So we can select this. And if you do have a USB drive selected, and it's on your PlayStation, we can just go to next here and go to yes. And you just have to plug it in on my PlayStation 5 Pro. I just have it in the rear slots. And it's only like a 128 gigabyte USB drive, so it's not a large one. So if you do have a smaller one, however, you're not going to be able to back up a whole lot. So you might need something that's like 1 terabyte or something like that. But with internet speeds nowadays, you can pretty much download everything within like 10 to 15 minutes for a game. So I don't even bother doing this anymore. But you might want it for like your saved data or something like that if you don't have PlayStation Plus. And it looks like it's just taking a while since please wait a long time. But you can see it gives me the options for games and apps, save data right there, screenshots. So maybe I wouldn't use this for games at all. I'll just do it for save data. And then screenshots you can transfer over with the media gallery. You don't need to do that under here, but you could. So probably just the save data I would transfer. And since I have such a small USB drive, it really wouldn't matter. So I just do this transfer, and I believe it's going to restart my PlayStation. And that's 40 gigabytes available after that. So 21 gigabytes of saved data, that's a lot. And then just go to next, and then it'll put it on there. Now, if you ever need to restore it, just come back here and go to restore. In the future, if your PlayStation experiences wickedness for some reason, it says restore your PlayStation 5 and your backups right here. So just select off your USB drive and you should be good to go after that. Otherwise, you can delete the backup data right here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.